Hello, my name is William Hewitt. I'm one of the instructors for the Go Natural CNG Fuel System Training Program. We here at Go Natural CNG have created a college-accredited curriculum. As part of this process, we've also published a full-color textbook with over 150 pages of highly targeted details. Our students can expect to learn a lot more than just theory. We specialize in hands-on training, covering fuel system and cylinder inspection, tube bending, component installation, tank mounting, diagnostic and repair. We end every class by fully converting a vehicle to run on natural gas. But don't just take my word for it. Hear what some of our students have to say.
Hands-on part was great. It's actually better. That's how I learned, is with hands-on rather than the classroom. We've done everything here. I did the installation of the brackets for the tank, for the CNG cylinder. I dealt with some of the soldering and some of the wiring.
The best part about it is the hands-on stuff. I mean, it really, a lot of information, but it all kind of gets ingrained into your mind when you're out here actually physically doing it. That's the best part about it to me. Installing the fuel cylinder, the high pressure fuel lines, the FIM, the regulators, all the way to the injectors, just the whole ballpark from A to Z.
I think the class is very comprehensive. Will is a good teacher. He really knows what's going on with this, and the manual is very good, and it tells you just what you need to put in. Safety is a big factor with CNG, even though CNG is quite safe. The safety of the components and things like that is very important. How to inspections, how to know what cylinders are which, what sort of hoses and lines that we have to tie to them, stainless steel, etc. How to bend tubing, how to route hoses, and wire things up so that they're done correctly. So that's about it. It's very comprehensive. I don't know, it's a good class. That's all I can say. It's a good class. We're out here doing this truck right now, and we're going to fire it up here pretty quick, so it's going to be awesome. That's awesome.
The book covers a big portion of its safety as far as pressurized fuels are concerned, and then it just goes right into the cylinder and safety inspection, which is a high priority, and then the installation of the components and what the components do and how they operate. What makes our class better than what's out there is the hands-on. The majority of the classes out there teaching the same kind of stuff are taught 45 hours in a classroom, and we only spend a fraction of that in the classroom, and the rest of the time actually out touching cylinders, touching vehicles, and actually doing cylinder inspections so that when you go to take the test, you have that confidence to actually pass the test because you've done it.
A little bit more about high pressure things, the different types of systems that exist, and definitely more hands-on, a little bit more book work to make sure that people know what they're doing to start.
Wanted to be more informed about the products that we sell. It's been a great class, great hands-on, very easy, very informative.
You know, this is all pretty new to me at this point, but I feel like I've learned a lot in the past week. Everything about what it takes to install a system on a vehicle, I mean the components of course the system, I mean everything from A to Z. It was really good overall class, especially the hands-on. I'm a lot more of a hands-on kind of person than a class book work kind of guy anyways. We actually did a whole install, and that was great. We got to see everything from all the way from the tank to the engine, what it takes to do a system.